Alright, so I got the short shifter in. That's the full short shifter, and I put it to alright. I put it to the maximum throw, to reduce the shift, and that's basically I connected back this. Now I just gotta put the cotter pin and the little pin that go on top right here, and that's about it. But the next thing I gotta do is put the battery three trays back in. And that's about it. And the old one is right here. This is a stock one, but when you do it, you gotta make sure that it's the same adapter that's on the forge one right there. You gotta make sure it's the same adapter. So you just remove this one. Yeah, bro, I'm ready. Downpipe installed just now.
Missing.
Yeah, word, it's misfiring. But then again, it probably could be because it's breaking in the new pipe. So we give it a little rev and see.
It's correcting itself. What's wrong with his
You just put a downpipe on.
You got that louder?
Huh?
You got adapter?
Word. It's in the yellow shit. Yo, M, you wanna fight? What's up?
Let's do it.
Nah.
Yeah, I think he might. Who did he buy? Was it
Putting his
him or-
cotter pin
or,
on and shit. I'm an idiot. So how's the kids you have now? Huh? No, that's a camera.
No shit. That's why I said, what are you filming?
Oh, me installing this. I could put it on YouTube. And I'm looking at me like I'm crazy.
I don't know what you.
I have a lot of really good kids this year, but
that's
none
nice.
of them really coming with knowledge. But they're learning.
That's the best.
But we have to exclude this class.
What do you mean? What's wrong with this guy?
You guys suck.
This is your best period.
This cotter pin is loose.
Yeah,
Think it's gonna come out?
Student in his period.
Cotter pin is loose. You think it's gonna fly out?
No, ain't my car.
Yeah,
Wow. I need another big one.
Were you asking me something?
yeah. I said, who's the best student in this class?
No, none of these. Y'all suck.
What is it?
Get me a bigger cotter pin.
Get you a bigger cotter.
Yeah.
I'm out.
Huh?
I'm out.
Oh shit.
You're out?
You come to my shop, bring in your car, and you're telling me to get you a cotter pin.
Yeah. Alright, let me straighten this.
Yo.
I know you have more cotter pin.
I do, but I'm not going to get cotter pin because they go get cotter
Alright, can you
pin.
please get me a cotter pin?
That's better.
I think it was for Audi.
This is better.
He was just like sitting right here.
Stuck with me. I know you do.
It's valid. Copy.
He should go yeah, he should definitely put boot mode tune on that. You think, right?
Huh?
He should put a boot mode tune on that.
Him?
Yeah, he gonna make a wall noise.
That shit is dumb loud.
Doing
Yeah,
turbo tune.
Yeah.
That's why you don't drive it.
I just don't drive it because like my other car, like the engine on this shit, it was like I blew it, so I had to get it rebuilt. But I just bought a new one instead, though.
Oh no. You get two-step this, right?
Yeah, I got the ECU to do that too.
Five.
Yo, no man, no wonder why this shit was leaking, bro.
It was loose,
I'm still scared of this shit.
bro. You frost, bro.
That's regular me.
Regular D showing shit.
I be dusted up. What's your major?
Or the motor.
If this shit leak, then there's something wrong with this fucking car. I just tighten the shit out of this bolt. Now I tighten that one, I know it's loose.
This one goes mad like quick, bro.
I need one of those shits, bro. No G. But right now, I can deal with that.
We try shifting again.
Before it was like the
Yeah, like feel me? Nah, that shit. That shit's on the money.
It's a good first and second, and then third is right there in second.
Dead eye. Alright, this is valid.
It was the gas switcher.
This was a really simple install. It wasn't nothing crazy. But yeah, as you guys can see, the side of my car is like fucked up. I gotta get this fixed. Yeah. But otherwise, it's looking good. I gotta wash it though. It's really dirty. It's like really, really dirty.
Because it's not going to be your O2 sensor already.
Look, it feels really, really different. It's like those is like quicker.
Are they plugged in?
It's really, really nice. Yeah, those is really, really quicker, like for real. I didn't know it was gonna be that quick. Feel way better than it was before. It's like everything is closer because I put it to the maximum reduction. So that's pretty much it. That's all I have for you guys today. Next, I'm gonna do my intercooler. I'm gonna show you guys the entire video when I do my intercooler. But otherwise, make sure you guys like and subscribe.